Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito po yung reading natin para sa mga Virgo single. So, this is for January 2021 hanggang February 2021. And also, we do have another channel which is the Unicorn Princess Tarot. Feel free to check it out. Meron dyang all 12 signs including Virgo. And yung newly created channel namin which is the Madam PTV, comedy reading po yung ginagawa dyan. So, feel free to check it out and ma-appreciate ko po lalo kung magsusubscribe din kayo dyan sa channel na yan. So, let's start the reading. We have here Ace of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, the Sun. So, ang nakukuha ko dito sa energy mo, I feel like there's this bagong opportunity or bagay na pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon. You're really happy. For some of you, pwedeng bagong pagkakakitaan, bagong investment for some of you, or pwedeng something to do with money. Okay? Or recently, merong purchases na ginawa dito, or yun nga, meron kang pinagkakabalahan na ngayon na maaaring pinaglalaanan mo ng oras, ng panahon, ng pera mo, and maaaring looking forward ka na mag-grow because of that, and marami kang matutunan, or for some of you, pwedeng looking forward ka sa mga months na dadating with a positive energy dito sa side mo. We have here the Sun. Okay, so nakukuha ko yung positivity dyan, and parang looking forward ka na lahat ng ginagawa mo ngayon, yung ito sinisimulan mo na ngayon, ay maganda ang isusukli sa'yo sa huli. Which is, nakukuha ko naman na, yes, possible. Kaya lang, we have here the Coffin, the Runner, and not today. So, ang nakukuha kong energy sa'yo is, it's like, there's a decision or maaaring mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin na maaaring iniiwasan mo or hindi mo ginagawa. Pwedeng yan sa business mo or sa karir mo na maaaring meron kang mga time or may mga panahon na hindi mo inaasikaso muna ito. Or pagdating naman sa love life, pwedeng, I feel like we have here at the bottom of the deck, date. So, maaaring meron kang someone new, or may mga, you're really concentrated on yourself. Kung may past lover or past person dito, mas concentrate ka pa dito or sa past. Kung wala naman, sa sarili mo. Okay? Or dito nga, sa mga pinagkakabalaan mo ngayon, money, ganyan. You're not really looking forward sa new relationship as of now. Parang ngayon, ayaw mo muna ng relationship with someone new, or ayaw mo muna ng date, ganyan, ayaw mo muna ng connection. Might be you're still happy. Kung hindi man happy, whatever ended, mas dun ka talaga nakafocus. Okay? So, lahat yan nakukuha ko dyan sa energy mo. Might be for some of you, pwedeng currently lang kayo nagkaroon ng breakup, and then, although natapos yung sitwasyon, umalis ka sa sitwasyon, you're not hiring, parang ganon, with the not today, ayoko muna ng relationship, tama na muna. Okay, for some of you, meron ka kasing iniisip or inaalala pa dito, na maaaring ito yung person na gusto mong makasama or makarelasyon, but the problem is merong mga uncertainties sa ngayon, maaaring kasi hindi mo ginagawa yung mga dapat mong gawin towards this person. Okay, so take what resonates, guys. Iba-iba yung lumabas doon na singles. And we have your 8 of Wands, 7 of Cups, and King of Wands. Okay, you might be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Like, ang nakukuha ko sa'yo, kung ano man yung sinimulan mo ngayon, high chance or high possibility, if this is a career or business na sinimulan mo ngayon, I feel like you need to grow, you need to, kumbaga marami ka pang mararanasan. Like, you need to make a decision. Okay, kailangan gamitin mo yung decision making mo. Or, if this is a business, kasi King of Wands is someone who is good at business, sales, talk, ganyan, and has a lot of goals. So, I feel like you need to choose wisely, or kailangan mong gawa ng action na tingin mong tama para sa'yo. Kasi, for some of you, might be kulang ka sa action, puro desisyon or puro pag-iisip lang, kulang sa action. Kung gusto mo, kasi this reading right here, pagdating sa finances, napakaganda na sinasabi dyan. Okay? Maaaring for some of you with the death card, pwedeng may nag-end sa'yo, pero maganda naman ang kapalit nito. We have your Ace of Pentacles. And yeah, after the death, of course, there's rebirth or pagsisimula or bago. And ito na yung Ace of Pentacles. Ace is a number 1 number, beginning yan. So, maaaring may nagsimula sa'yo na regarding money, and maganda naman yung sinasabi dito, this because it is growing. 2 beses lumabas si Ace of Pentacles, magkaibang deck nga lang yan. Pero this is growth. Pero nagpakita rin ito si Eight of Wands. Okay? 8 of Wands and the Sun. So, no doubt, pagdating sa money mo, sa finances mo, mag-grow yan. Kahit pa nagsisimula ka, mag-grow yan. Kaya lang, kailangan mong gawa ng action because there's a lot of decision na kailangan mong gawin. There's a lot of action na kailangan mong gawin. Like, halimbawa, wait lang guys. Okay, sorry about that. So, yun nga, meron tayong mga decision dyan na nagagawin and also action na kailangan mong gawin kasi napakaganda ng sinasabi sa huli. We have here 8 of Wands and the Sun. This is positivity. Okay? So, kung ano man yung sinisimulan mo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan dahil maganda ang patutunguhan yan. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa love life, so, we have here the Justice. For some of you, you might be dealing with someone who is already maybe kasi hindi nagkakaroon ng action. Like, we have here not today. So, possible that you are avoiding this person or trying to avoid this person or your emotion towards this person kasi possible that you're dealing with someone na already in a relationship. Okay, so might be if you have an ex, possible na there's a relationship na dito sa ex na ito and the other person. So, possible na ganon. Or pwedeng we have your 10 of Pentacles. So, possible na although you really love this person, pwedeng siya ay already committed and may family involved na dito. But guess what? For those who are dealing with someone na already pwedeng Justice is marriage and the family, ay high possibility na ikaw ang mahal. Okay? But yeah, you have to, for what I can see here, I feel like there's a lot of, napakaganda actually ng 2021 ninyo ang daming growth dito. Okay? Ang daming growth. Kung ano man yung mga natapos, natapos yun for the better. Okay? So, parang I would like to get more cards for you. What do we have here for single Virgos? May napahalo sa deck. So, yeah. What do we have here for single Virgos? For January to February 2021, please. So we have here 4 of Wands, 6 of Swords, 3 of Wands. So you might be dealing with a Gemini. I mean, you're not mali. I'm sorry. Yung energy lang pala, hindi yung you might be dealing with Gemini kasi pwedeng pwedeng energy lang yung lumabas dito. So the energy is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Okay, for what I can see here, with the 6 of Wands, for some of you trying to move on, okay? You're still trying to move on. And we have your 4 of Wands. If you are the person na trying to move on, nandito ka sa stage na nagtatry ka palang mag-move on sa simula, sa natapos na sitwasyon, high possibility the next person that you would deal with or magkakaroon ng relationship with is the person na makakapagbigay na ng stability sa'yo. Okay? High possibility yan. So, maganda yon. Kung aalis ka sa sitwasyon or natapos yung sitwasyon between the two of you, high possibility na yung magiging next mo, siya na talaga yung makakasama mo. So, okay lang. Okay? So, wag ka masyadong masaktan. Dahil, sinasabi nga natin, kung hindi talaga siya para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo. Okay? And mas maganda naman yung ibinigay para sa'yo. Okay? So, we have your 3 of Wands. I would like to clarify that. Someone is thinking of you. Someone is thinking of you. We have here the Sun. Under siya ng the Sun. Yung 3 of Wands and 4 of Swords. And, yeah. So, ang nakukuha ko dyan, especially at night or tuwing mag-isa itong taong to. Hindi kahit may kasama pala siya, this person constantly thinks of you a lot. Talaga. And I'm seeing letter B, Y, M, X, H, N, D, S, and O. So, you might be dealing with that person. Kasi itong person na ito, pwedeng nandun yung initial niya, pwedeng wala. I'm seeing also letter P. Okay. So, this person really thinks about you a lot. Okay? Sa ngayon nga lang, maaaring hindi siya gumagawa ng action or hindi niya sinasabi, but this person is waiting. Andito siya sa waiting stage. And might be stuck din siya sa situation. So, maaaring sa work, sa job, pwedeng malayo sa'yo tong taong to. Or possible that there's a third party relationship. Pero we have here ascending order. So, kasi it's 3 and then nag-turn into 4. Can you see the numbers? So, from 3, nagpunta sa 4. So, there's ascending na nakukuha ko dyan. So, high possibility. And there's the Sun, the top, which is positive union, pwede magkakaroon ng pagkikita. So, maaaring hindi pa tapos sa inyo ng person na ito. This person still thinks about you, waiting for you. Yun yung energy dito. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Virgo Philippines, Unicorn Princess Tarot. And again, our new channel, Madam PTV Comedy Readings, right there. Kung ayaw nyo na ng malulungkot or seryosong reading, feel free to check it out, guys. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng yan para maka-help naman na mag-grow yung ating channel. So, that's it for now. I love you all and bye-bye.